Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox my March subscription boxes. I have the Ipsy glam bag and my Boxycharm. I always look forward to unboxing these and sharing them with you guys. So before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I received in my subscription boxes, just keep watching. I always like starting with my Ipsy glam bag. It is usually 5 sample sizes, sometimes a full size and a couple sample sizes, but it is the smaller of the 2 that I receive. All right, this month, oh, look at this, it's so cute. And it has the little beads on here. I love the bags. They're great for putting in your backpack or your purse, taking them with you for the beach. But I have so many of these. When my friends come over and I give them makeup, I usually give them a couple of bags to take home with them because I do not need all the bags that I have. First, we have a card that's got some sort of details. Okay, so this has some details about full-size products and what items are in here. We have Briogeo Curl Charisma, Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask. Okay, so full size retails for $39. So curls are in for your serious treat with this luxurious hair mask made with nourishing avocado, castor, and shea butter. This protein-free formula, in case you're dealing with protein overload, deeply hydrates and helps enhance your curls, leaving them bouncy and full of life. So I don't let my hair get curly. It has waves to it, but not curly. So I don't know that I need this. I can put it in the giveaway drawer, but that also is dependent on if the person that wins has curly hair as well. So I'll put it in there, but it's a possibility. Because that's the one thing, like when I do my giveaways, of course, like eyeshadows, blushes, bronzers, for the most part are universal depending on skin tones. But foundations and hair products are usually like, and even sometimes skincare, it depends on what your skin or hair preferences are. That makes sense. We have the Shades by Shan Life of the Party from the High Rise and After Dark palettes. This is volume 1. So full size retails for $20. Oh, this is an all neutral palette. I feel like I have these in my collection already in other palettes, so I would hate to keep this little quad. It's cute, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway for one of you guys. Sometimes I keep a palette, sometimes I put it in the giveaways. So this will go in the giveaway drawer. We have Mega Shading Brush from Wing Me. The brush retails for $23. This is a nice brush. This is perfect for packing on the color. Dense brushes essential in collection. I love a good compacted smudge brush. I use one all the time. This one though, because I have my go-to brushes and I have a drawer full of brushes, this is gonna go in the giveaway drawer. I feel like I'm giving away pretty much this entire bag. I have the Alexman Beauty So Seductive Lip Liner. This retails for $18. It says it's a deep burgundy lip liner. Let's see if I can open this. All right. Oh, it's a twist up top. That is a beautiful shade. It kind of matches my sweater. It is kind of like creamy. Ooh, and it's nice when it's smudged out. Okay, I'm keeping one thing so far. The last item in here, we have the Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. Even Out Exfoliate and Cleanse plus AHA and vitamin C and vanilla. Ooh, I love a good face scrub. This retails for $10. So the full size is 5 ounces and it's $10. So this is the deluxe sample. And it has a seal on it, so I'm gonna put this in the shower to be used. Now with the glam bags, I don't get to total it up because the prices that they give me are for full size products, and because these are all samples, that doesn't balance out. But for my glam bags, I think I pay like $15 for glam bags, $10. I'll look up the information. but I don't pay a lot for my glam bags, and I do get some nice products that I like to try out, or if I don't want to keep them, I put them in the giveaway I put them in the giveaway drawer for you guys. Now let's dive into Boxycharm. Okay, so we have Boxycharm. Last month was Icon Box, which is a quarterly thing. So this time we have a little pamphlet with some details. Okay, so it's got some details about the products that are in here. All right, first, ooh, I actually have this in my skincare fridge right now. So you know this is going in the giveaway drawer. This is the LMS Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream for tired, overworked eyes, revives, brightens, and hydrates. I love this, and LMS, such a good brand. It doesn't have details for it. Huh. That's what the app is for. So this eye cream retails for $49. Fake Awake with this multitasking eye cream. Nourishing coconut oil and brightening plant extracts. I love this stuff. I use it in the morning. I use it at night, part of my skincare routine for prepping for makeup or going to bed, but so good. We have the Advanced Collagen, what is this? The Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. This has 3 pairs. 3 count, full size, retails for $75 for eye gels. They help brighten and smooth your under eyes in just 10 minutes. Each pad is saturated with a complex combination of active ingredients like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera to intensely hydrate and help minimize the look of fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. So I keep eye patches in my skincare fridge, and in the mornings after I do my hair or while I'm doing my hair, I'll use an eye patch and prep my skin just for, you know, Fake Awake type of thing. The other thing is, when I was younger, I didn't do a lot of skincare, and now I kind of regret as I start complaining about my under eye creases or fine lines. There's things that I wish I had done earlier. So now in the mornings, I will just do whatever I can to help my skin and slow down the aging process. One of the best things is the collagen eye patches. I have these, and I have a pair of, what are they? The Wander Beauty. They're gold and they're beautiful, and they just make my eyes feel so good and awake. But these are so good. I'm glad I have more. We have the Ace Beauty Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow. All right, so this is in the shade Stella Dusk. It retails for $24. I love a beautiful liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That is beaming. Absolutely beaming. It's got gold. It's rose gold with like silver and red glitter particles. Oh, that is beautiful. I don't think I've ever used a liquid eyeshadow from Ace Beauty before. Oh, it's just like shattered diamonds all over the skin. Okay. We have from Miss Fame. I didn't know she had a makeup line. The Blush series. She's stunning. If you've never seen Miss Fame, she is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. It's just beautiful. And this is a blush duo. So it looks like one's powder and one is cream. This retails for $24. You got a creamy buildable powder for that chic matte bronze vibe and a soft peachy pink powder for a touch of warmth. Blend the blushes onto the apples of your cheeks in an upward motion. Interesting. Let's see. So this is the cream and that's the powder. So I wonder if you put the cream down and then put this on top, if it'll give like the glow. Interesting. It kind of like set it. We will have to play around with this for sure. We have the Ola Henriksen Dewtopia 20% Acid Night Treatment. Ooh, I really like Ola Henriksen. I use quite a bit of their skincare. And this is my beauty boost. So Beauty Boost, you can choose other things, but this one was the one that was recommended. This retails for $60. Powerful blend of acids, 10% AHAs and 10% PHAs, does all the hard work while you sleep to help you wake up with a brighter, smoother complexion. Plus, this light lemon scented serum also helps replenish and hydrate skin with ingredients like aloe juice and cotton water. Okay. Says start by using it once a week and work your way up. Okay. Interesting. I've used night treatment or acid treatments at night. I haven't done it recently. So this will get added into my skincare routine. And last item, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is from Wander Beauty. This is the Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. And I do like Wander Beauty's eyeshadow palettes. This retails for $42. Ooh, those shades are beautiful. Let's see, there are 6 shimmers. It looks like 4 shimmers and then 2 that look like they might be like suede type of. Ooh, those are beautiful. We are definitely going to have to try this palette out together. Especially because I feel like these shades right here, I could definitely wear for work. But I really like these greens. So beautiful. And the shade Lindsay E looks like my birthstone because I have peridot for my birthstone, which is a green shade. I think Wander Beauty is woman owned and founded. I want to say each of the names in there. Female founded, female led, female run. This Trailblazer eyeshadow palette is inspired by our all-female team of creators and innovators who make it all happen behind the scenes every day at Wander Beauty. 10 perfectly curated matte and shimmer shades are featured in a range of neutral nudes, chartreuse, and emerald tones, and were thoughtfully designed and handpicked by each member of our team. That's awesome. I love that. I look so forward to trying out that palette. Let's go ahead and swatch these shimmers. Ooh, those are stunning and will be beautiful on the eyelid. All right, let me go add up this box. Okay, you guys, the Boxycharm box totaled $274. And I only spend $30 on my Boxycharm and $14 on my glam bag. For me, I love this because I get to try out new things that I wouldn't necessarily pick up, or maybe I waited and eventually they end up in my subscription boxes. I also get to pick out 1 item in my glam bag and 2 items in my Boxycharm. And for me, I feel like that is a lot of fun because sometimes they're surprises and sometimes I just get to pick out the things that I would love to try out. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.